Michelle.
Well, Danielle, we have dry skies heading into Providence area all across southern New England for today and expected to stay that way. The rainfall from yesterday now well offshore, and it'll continue to move eastward. Meanwhile, down in the southeastern United States, very unsettled day. Rain, thunder on the way as we continue to track what is Tropical Storm Colin. This formed yesterday. Did do a little strengthening overnight. Winds sustained around 50 miles per hour, and it's about 315 miles to the west-southwest of Tampa as of the 8 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center. It's going to pick up speed here, head to the northeast, and make landfall somewhere around the Florida Big Bend area. And that will likely happen this evening and tonight. In fact, by tomorrow morning, it's already off the coast of the eastern United States. This is 2 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, and going to continue to make its way to the north and east. On this path, it's going to track well south and east of our area. In fact, its closest pass will be overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. And just want to give you an idea of how far away we're talking for this storm to track. So center of the projected track here has it about 300 to 400 miles out to sea. We'll be keeping an eye on it for you, but at this point, any impacts looking to be pretty minimal. Sorry, jump backwards there for a moment. But looking ahead then through the day today, our main story is the return of warmer and drier conditions. In fact, the humidity will be dropping. The sky's clearing out here in Newport. 66 degrees right now in the Newport area. Our temperatures inland, though, have already made it into the lower 70s, 70 in Providence. Smithfield right now at 72, similar to Warwick. Looking ahead to the afternoon, we're going to climb all the way up into the low and mid 80s. So around the 60s for the dew point temperature first thing this morning. One thing we're going to be watching for, the humidity, the moisture content in the atmosphere to drop. And you're going to get some relief. Once we see those dew points drop below 60, and that's forecast to happen in the afternoon, it'll have a more comfortable feel to the air. And that's good news because the temperatures are going to be warm, lower 80s, Wickford, Hope Valley, Newport into say 75 to 80 before you cool down a little bit in the late afternoon. Mid 80s for Woonsocket, Situate, Burrillville, lower 80s, mid 80s, Seekonk, Attleboro, Taunton, even Freetown near 85 degrees. New Bedford today near 81. Tonight, increasing clouds, could be a little bit of fog late tonight with overnight lows staying mild in the middle 60s. I wanted to talk about Tuesday's Futurecast for a moment as we head throughout the later afternoon and evening today. Going to see some increasing clouds overnight. Tomorrow morning, looking mostly dry, clouds and some hazy sunshine. They're going to be on the lookout in the afternoon and evening for the potential for a few isolated showers or thunderstorms. You see these popping up right around the time of the evening commute, and then they'll likely fizzle after sunset. So both Tuesday and Wednesday, chances each day in the afternoon and evening for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Not everyone will see one, but those that do, they could be locally strong. Even some small hail possible in those. Trend will be to cooler weather. Highs in the upper 60s Thursday and overnight lows in the 50s. We'll meet good sleeping weather later this